So you want to get into Dungeons & Dragons, but don't know where to start? Well, let's begin with the basics, and talk about what dice do what. The D20 is a workhorse of your dice set, being used for whenever you're attempting to do something, also known as an ability check, whenever you're attempting to hit someone, also known as an attack roll, and whenever you're trying to avoid something, also known as a saving throw. The D12 is a friend you invite, but really hope doesn't show up. Unless you're a barbarian or a fan of big axes, you're rarely going to use this die. But if you are a fan of big axes or a barbarian, this die is going to be your best friend. The D12 is used to determine the hit points when you level up as a barbarian, along with determining the damage dealt when using something like a great axe. The D10 is a mom friend of most groups. Used as a hit die for most martial classes, those being the Ranger, Fighter, and Paladin. Moreover, this die is one of the more commonly used damage dies for versatile weapon. The D8 is the Fashionista, with a lot of different outfits for each occasion. This die is used to determine the hit points for when rogues, monks, clerics, bards, and warlocks level up, and is one of the more common used damage die for martial weapons. The D6 is your familiar magic friend. They may not be as popular as a D8 or as useful as a D20, but at least they're better than the D12. The D6 is used to determine the hit points when wizards and sorcerers level up. In addition, it is a more commonly used damage die for spells. The D4 is that person who looks innocent, but will probably kill someone. Not just are they used to hurt you in-game, but in real life too. In-game, this die is more commonly used for spells like Bless, Guidance, and Magic Missile.
Hey, what about the D100?
No one uses that!
Hey, if you guys liked what you saw today, please consider subscribing and checking out some of our socials on screen. Also, all art provided here today was by lebron PR. You can check him out on Instagram and Twitter. So if you need a logo, character idea, or just something fun for your D&D campaign, check out lebron. Now, I'll see you guys next time. Make sure to keep calm and geek on.